Welcome to January 7th London session at 2 a.m. Chicago time, 3 p.m. New York time. This is the pre-market analysis because we are at 1:30 or 2:30 New York time, 1:30 my time, and 30 minutes prior is when we do the analysis. Now, if you remember in the last video, I predicted it to go like this, to tap these levels and come down because it was going to respect this daily. And then it was gonna sweep this liquidity on its way up and do whatever it's doing. But regardless, it's doing what I thought it was gonna do, which is good. So we're looking for sells or buys into a sell zone. I'm debating if I should go live or not. No, not yet. But that's what we're looking at. So this daily, you could see this wick. This wicks up into these areas. Almost hits that 1 hour fair value gap and then comes down and now it's just moving downwards. It's also creating a gap. Be in mind of that. Um, so I don't know if it's gonna just consolidate here and then touch this gap and then move to this weekly. That could be a possibility. Or it could just move down later into the week because it is the start of the week. It's Tuesday. But maybe by Thursday it'll make its major move. Not sure. But we are bearish at least until this 4 hour fair value gap. That's a safe spot. So we want to see if it can retrace into something here within this little range, this high, this low on the 4 hour. The 1 hour, there's really nothing, but you have this inversion that got tested already, and then this liquidity is right here, this 1 hour liquidity. Um, So maybe it's retesting this version again. Go up to 30 minute. Okay, this is good. Yeah, this fair value gap. 30 minute. And then the 1 hour inversion that's being tested again. But mainly that 30 minute. Anything up here? No. This liquidity could get swept because if this gets tapped into, it's still pretty early. That London session doesn't that kill zone doesn't start until 2. So if this gets tapped into, it might just keep going up. Wait. Oh, see, it already got tapped into. I didn't see that. So this already got tapped into. So it's being tested again. So we could play it like this, maybe if this 30 minute and this 1 hour closes above that, then we'll go for buys into this liquidity. If 1 hour to 30 minute closes above tested fair value gap, then buys into 30 minute liquidity. And then if it goes, and then if it, what if it respects it? Nothing on the 15 minute. This order block got tapped into. Oh, and then you have this. Well, we actually have this right now. This is a possibility. So if this happens, I would want to see some type of turtle soup. Oh, there already is a turtle soup. We can, but I think, okay, we're gonna see. No, there's no breakup structure. Yeah, it looks like price is just consolidating right now. It's engineering liquidity, it looks like. It's making that little trend, I feel like. But regardless, confirmation, I'll wait for this 15-minute. Besides, so I'll set an alarm here. I'll buy this and oh, 15-minute. But I don't know because it's 30-minute. I guess because it. Which way did it? Like, okay. Hmm. Because it went down a lot, but that was just this move right here. That was the close right here. Right. It should, oh, close. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna just wait for that. I might have to wait an extra 15 minutes because I would want to see if price closes below this 15-minute gap or not. So it's kind of in this consolidation where I'm just waiting for it to close above or below. But if what if this sells this down? The sells would have been like right here then, but that got disrespected because you had this. That's when it tapped into the 30-minute, and then you had that turtle soup. You could have entered like right here, and you would have been deep in drawdown. You had like 1 to 1. How that would It's good so far. But this could, yeah, I'm not even gonna look at that. But that could have been a possibility. But right now we're just seeing how this is gonna react. Right here, and wanna see this get swept after this. But it might just keep going down because it's respecting that inversion again. But the inversion already got tested and the 30-minute already got tested. That's the only two things that's keeping this bearish. And it's hard to trade off of it because it's bearish, you know what I mean? I mean, it already got tested, so I don't know if it's gonna get respected again. But we are looking for sells. We are on the daily, we're biased towards sells, so any type of turtle soup to the downside after a retracement. But you have this turtle soup instead. So I need to see a 5-minute candle close or below. I feel like this is gonna be a long video. So this is what I was talking. Okay, so we're gonna wait for this 15-minute. Obviously, we would have to anyway, but this is gonna tell me the direction. So I'm not making a move until I see this 15-minute candle close. Because if this 15-minute candle closes below this, plus you have this breakup structure, I'm just gonna wait for any a retracement into anything. Because there should be some type of gap right here. That one got This one got tested already. So I'll wait for like a turtle soup or something. Or just an order block retracement. But then again, it is also not the trading time yet. But I mean, how much more clear can it get? You know what I mean? So this would be take profit one. But then you also have this. I want to keep in mind this 5 minute fair value gap because I don't want to. Because daily buys is down, but this 15-minute breakup structure into this 15-minute fair value gap plus this 5 minute fair value gap. After that breakup structure, retesting two different zones, bearish zones. I mean, if this goes down, it'll be crazy. It just doesn't make sense. But the thing about this is that sometimes when you trade against these 5 minute fair value gaps, they work. Sometimes they don't work. This one got tested. Let's see if this, like, you have this breakup structure too. So if this is bearish, I want to see it close above this line. And then if it's bullish, I want to see it close above. It's bearish, I want to see it close below. But then you have this 5 minute, so you wouldn't even know. Yeah, it's tough. I'm gonna pause this recording. Back to it. Stream it. It's looking really nice. It was 5 minute turtle soup. So we're looking for buys probably into here. I'm just waiting on a market structure shift. You could have also entered right here off of this inversion fair value gap close, which is what I might do, but I want to wait for this extra confirmation. So this is what you could have did. Personally, I'm not doing that. 2 minute does nothing. 3 minute, nothing. I think this is just gonna send, to be honest. I don't know if it's gonna retrace, but it's giving bullish indicators. See, look at that. It might just send, where would I, right here, I guess. 12. And do full size here. Just wanting to retrace. There. This water block. Put that. I want it to retrace after this gets broken above. That's now the retracement, once it hits that black line, if it does, you're gonna do a full position here, hoping for a retracement. If it takes these take profits, it'll be kind of tough to sit on my hands after that, knowing I just called this out. But there's always another chance the next day. Which hurts to say because I don't like missing out, but it's okay. Um, But in the meantime, let's think about this logically, not with emotions. So down here would be ideal for optimal entry, but right here would be nice too for that. Like probably a 1 to 4. But anything below the 50 is premium. I mean discount. And this line is right by a discount, so I would want to get an entry probably at the 50% and this order block, so a combination. So my personal entry would look like this, and take profit one and take profit two up here. And that's all it would be. Just creep down a little more. But then there's like gap two. Oh, okay, that's another gap. Okay, I'm in these longs. But we shall see how it goes. Take profit one. This trade is before the session, which is something that I don't really like. It's not really A plus for me. A plus would be in the session, but okay, I want to buy stops and sell stops because last time it did not go as planned at all. Um, images. Okay, just make it make sense. So buy stop is you buy when it gets to a certain point. So I'll put 12 buy stops here. What about the take profit? It would be I'm in buys, so it would be sells. Oh, so this would be no, this would be a sell limit. But then I'd be in sells. This is confusing, bro. Do I put sell? We're gonna figure this out. Oh, this is hilarious. I need Cooper to get in here. I need to call Cooper because he was just texting me saying he's gonna get in. I'm new to futures. I'm a forex trader. I wonder if he's gonna answer. Just need a little advice, Coop. This inversion trade wouldn't have been bad. What's my stop loss is 11 handles? Or is this 46 handles? I don't think it's 46 handles. 40? Nah, no way it's 46. Okay, I need to figure out how to do this. Because I don't want to. Okay, what makes the most sense? What are placed above the current? Okay, but that's what are. I'm gonna just sell limit. Create new order. Limit, sell, 6. You know what? Let me just let this ride, bro. This is too much work. 12 contracts. Come on. Come on. Just get up there, man. Please. Uh, uh, uh. Oh my God. Closing it. It's a little bit before my session, but I gotta start tapping in, bro. It's getting lonely in this bit. God, and I'm recording and everything, man. But y'all not the vibes. Damn. Y'all gotta start tapping in, man. Oh my God. I forgot I was recording a video. I gotta stop doing that. But whoever's tapping in on YouTube, look at this, bro. You can't make, but I think it's retracing 2 minute. Nope, it's just going down. But this is why liquidity sweeps, you know what I mean? I still think it's gonna go up because these two levels got tested. It could go up into this liquidity, but it didn't close. That 30 minute didn't close above this 30 minute fair value gap. So I didn't know for sure if it was bullish, and it didn't close above this. Um, the 15 minutes to that breakup structure, it's still respecting this fair value gap, and price is yet to hit that take profit too, which I still think it's gonna hit because that's the liquidity, internal to external. But there's no rules on which external liquidity it has to take, so it could just take this one and then go straight down. But yep, that's that. Thank you for tuning in. If you are tuning in, there's always more of this on my Discord, and I'm gonna start posting more on YouTube. So you guys enjoy the rest of your day and stay productive.